Most people think money is something you either have or you don't, like it's distributed randomly, like some people were just born into it and others weren't. But that's not how money works. That's not how it has ever worked. Money is not a number. Money is a way of thinking. And until that shifts inside you, nothing outside you will change. Think about this. Take two people, same salary, same city, same starting point. 5 years later, one has savings, investments, options. The other is still living paycheck to paycheck, wondering where it all went. Same income, completely different results. The difference was never the money. The difference was the mind behind the money. Psychologists who study wealth behavior found something fascinating. People who build money don't just manage it differently, they think about it differently. They see money not as something to spend the moment it arrives, but as something to direct, to put to work, to multiply. They ask different questions, not, how do I enjoy this? But, how do I make this grow? Not, can I afford it? But, is this moving me forward or keeping me still? That shift in questions changes everything. There's a concept in psychology called the scarcity mindset. When a person grows up around financial stress, the brain gets wired to focus only on surviving today, not building tomorrow. And that wiring doesn't disappear when the salary arrives. It stays, it whispers, spend it before it's gone. Enjoy it now, because later is not guaranteed. And so, the cycle continues, not because the person is irresponsible, but because no one ever reprogrammed the way they think. Here's the truth. Wealth is not built in banks. It is built in minds. Every financially free person you have ever seen started with a decision to see money differently, not as a reward to consume, but as a tool to build with, not as something that controls their mood, but as something they control. That relationship with money, that quiet internal shift, is worth more than any salary raise, any investment tip, any side income, because a person who thinks correctly about money will always find a way to make it, keep it, and grow it. And a person who doesn't will always find a way to lose it, no matter how much arrives. So, the question is never, how do I make more money? The real question is, how do I think about the money I already have? Because the mind that spends everything will always have nothing, and the mind that builds, even with very little, will always find a way. That is the only difference that has ever mattered.